Daily routine 20 English sentence. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth after waking up. I take a bath every day. I get ready for the day. I eat my breakfast at home. I leave for work on time. I study for a while in the morning. I check my phone for important messages. I work or attend classes during the day. I take a short break in between. I eat my lunch in the afternoon. I rest for a few minutes after lunch. I finish my remaining work. I return home in the evening. I spend time with my family. I go for a walk or some exercise. I watch TV or use my phone for some time. I eat my dinner at night. I preparing things for the next day. I go to bed and sleep early.